2018, tearing down the Hotel Niver. It's sad, man. I grew up here. This place is from the 1800s. It was an old bar in my old town in Nicholson, Pennsylvania. It's a shame. Look at the floor in this place. Amazing. Place is completely shot, man. Old America, man. Got it right now, a lot of copper and scrap metal. Taking a walk through. When they built the bridge, people used to stay here. It's a whole hotel. Rooms are getting all gutted. Sad, man. I grew up with the kids, man. In their families for over 100 years.
Actually, I should just bring his
Dan's whacking away in the pub.
There's a lot of shit on the check.
Sad. Time goes by too fast, man. I remember swimming in their pool when I was a kid. There's the old pool. Sad. So much history here. All gone. There's a picture of the bridge. They built that bridge under 3 years. 500 men. Most of them were all from Europe, and they stayed in this hotel back in 1915. Take you a walk through. This is the old kitchen. So the bar was, pool tables. Good the old trophies from time past when they had a beer league.
What, you making a video?
Yeah. What year is that from? 1980? 78? Bridging 75. This trophy's older than I am. There's the bar. Many times, man, I see people get their ass kicked here. It's a shame. You can't get the money to fix the place up. It has to be demoed down. Things like this in America should be preserved. Over and out.